Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into PowerPoint 2025 and wondering how to rotate the ruler for more precise designs, you're in the right spot. The ruler is a super handy tool for aligning objects, but rotating it isn't a direct feature, it's more about using it alongside rotation tools to get that perfect angle. Whether you're creating presentations for work, school, or fun, this quick tutorial will have you mastering it in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first. Open your PowerPoint presentation and head to the slide you want to edit. To make sure the ruler is visible, go to the View tab at the top of the screen and check the box next to Ruler. This will display the horizontal and vertical rulers on your slide, helping you measure and align elements accurately. Now, when we talk about rotating the ruler, it's actually about rotating objects while using the ruler for guidance. Start by inserting the object you want to rotate, like a shape or an image. You can do this by going to the Insert tab and selecting Shapes or Pictures. Once your object is on the slide, select it by clicking on it. You'll see a rotating handle appear. It's that circular arrow at the top of the selection box. Click and drag this handle to rotate your object. To make this precise, use the ruler. For example, line up your object with the ruler's measurements to ensure it's at the exact angle you need. If you want even more control, right-click the object, go to Format Shape, or Size and Position, and enter a specific rotation degree in the dialog box. Pro tip: if you're dealing with multiple objects, use the ruler to create guides. Go to the View tab, click Guides, and drag them from the ruler to set custom angles. This way, you can snap objects into place for a polished look. Remember, practicing these steps will make your presentation stand out. And there you have it. Rotating with the ruler in PowerPoint 2025 is all about smart alignment and precision. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.